What up, YouTube? It's a little late of a start to this video, but I'm with my boy John. Once again, you know, all the repairs are done together, basically. We started on the brakes already. I didn't really show you all the fronts. Got the rotors, pads off, everything. Now we're just painting the calipers and the sliders and the guides, or whatever the fuck you want to call them. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show them the brakes. I'm gonna show them the brakes. I'll flip the camera around for y'all. So those coming out pretty good, you know what I mean? Just painted that one. I'll bring y'all around to the other side. Doing all my little maintenance shit while I'm doing this. This one looked really good because sanded that down really good and all that. But yeah, here are the new brakes that are going on. These beautiful motherfuckers, carbon ceramics. You know, carbon ceramics. Gotta go with the carbon ceramics. Fronts and rears all around. You know what I mean? Now we're just basically waiting on this paint to dry, man. I mean, it's going pretty. It's honestly really easy though. This ain't really nothing. This ain't really nothing to a G thing. You know what I mean? This ain't really nothing to a G. Yes, sir. That motherfucker's still clean in there.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Yeah, facts, bro. I think it's heating this motherfucker up. Bro got the goddamn equalizer gun. What the fuck? Little paint station. Homemade paint booth. Yeah, man. Yeah, I know. That one looked really good, bro. Look at that. That shit looked great. Yeah, twin. We're getting her done. Alright, y'all. So we didn't even put the bracket on yet, but that's what we're looking like so far. There's the bracket coming around. It's still a little wet, right?
Yeah, I just want to see.
Alright, y'all. So just put on this race for it. You know what I mean? It's coming together. Looking good. Looking good. Keep it updated. Alright, y'all, so we got the front right one done, front passenger. That's what we're looking like. Look fucking, though, that looked good, bro.
A little scuffed up for me.
Yeah, but you can't even tell. That shit look good. Yes, sir. But yeah, bro, as you can see, we getting her done. I'll keep y'all updated. I'll get some footage of when we actually get the front assembled and start moving on to the back. Because we got to do two at a time, bro. Ain't got no jack stands. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all. All right, guys. I know you can't see me, YouTube, but currently we are on the way to the parts store, an hour out because yeah, caliper needs to be done. They bored out my motherfucking I can't even think of the words. My brain. All right, but as y'all can see, it is dark out now. Yeah. But I will get back to y'all.
Coming out down in my socks on a 3-level yacht. Bottles of drinks.
Yeah.
Leaving a lot on the way to the bank. Big body smell like a pound of gelati. I made a pit stop with some sound on my tank. A Birkin bag holder biscotti. My bitch got a natural body. It's not what you think. Switching my vehicle, switching my loan. Not tricking no hoes. I'm just tipping my drop.
You're looking for me at the bartender. You're looking for me at the bartender. But yeah, basically what we've been really waiting on all day was just the painting. Because we're in New York right now, so snowing, not fun. So yeah, we got snow right now. And comes along with snow, cold. So not the best for paint drying. That's why we got this torch going in here. Got this one now. Yeah, we're gonna get to work and I'll keep you guys updated. All you really need to do is take off this caliper. We need to pinch those. We're gonna need to bleed my brakes now. Paint this one. Because, you know, I had that one painted, come around to this side. Hold up. All my stuff that we had. That one's painted, done. I mean, it looks good, you know what I mean? I mean, it's a little bit scuffed from fucking moving it around. Shit happens. But it looks good. Another one should be looking like that. All right, y'all, we got the front wheels on. That's what they're looking like. Hold on, I'll go around to the other side, show y'all the other side for you. That's what we looking like so far for the fronts. Look good, look good. So now we're on to the backs. Yeah, we'll get back to you. What up, YouTube? I never got to actually finish the clips of this, or finish, you know, just get everything that I had planned for this video. I had forgot it was already like 1 o'clock in the morning when we had finished the backs, and I was just, it kind of slipped my mind, if I'm being completely honest, to even record the fucking process of doing the backs. So that's my fault. But a lot has changed. I am now in Virginia. I no longer live in New York. So me and John, you will not see as much content together, but you still will see content together. I'm still gonna get it out to y'all. But yeah, I mean, car content, I'm still gonna be pumping it out. I know it's been a little bit, it's been about a month now. I'm still gonna be pumping it out though. Like I just said, I was in the midst of moving from New York all the way down to Virginia. I'm acting like it's very far, but you know, from New York down to Virginia, so I just had a lot of stuff going on. But anyways, I'm gonna play a few clips for y'all because I did get some not in New York, but I got some clips in down here with the brakes and the car and everything. So I'm gonna just throw them at the end of the video. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and comment. What was your favorite part? I'm trying to get better with these videos. I'm trying.
I'm all drink, getting fat, I'm the man. I'm all drink, said she wanted to see more. Baby playing all the